Welcome everyone. I'm Father Mark Imeng, Associate Pastor at St. Mary's Parish, Duipon, and former Director of Radio Veritas Asia. Today, I bring you a heartbreaking video that sheds light on the ongoing ethnic cleansing in Manipur. This video is titled Sugunu Area in Flames, an ethnic cleansing gone wrong. What you're witnessing is Sugunu area in flames, with columns of black smoke rising from several houses and beyond. This road connects Lamka district to Chandel district through a military-type bailey bridge over Imphal River. But now the bridge lies partially burned at both ends, making it impassable. This bridge was a lifeline between the two districts. Across the bridge is Sugunu Bazaar, where houses belonging to the Meitei community once stood. An equal number of houses owned by the Joe and Kuki communities were also present. Sadly, their homes were targeted and set on fire. State forces including commandos, state police, and the Arambai Tengol were responsible for this destruction. A thick column of black smoke fills the sky as tribal houses in and around Sugunu area face the same fate. The commandos cleared the way for the state police and the Arambai, who ruthlessly set fire to these homes. The Arambai, once a religious group dedicated to preserving the Meitei culture and Sana Mahi religion, turned into a militia during this ethnic cleansing. They were too numerous for the unarmed and helpless people of Sugunu to resist. Many had no choice but to flee to the nearby Assam Rifles camp, leaving everything behind in the blink of an eye. Moving on to another tribal area, white smoke hovers over the village as fires burn in multiple places. In just 1 hour, all these houses were reduced to ashes, leaving the once thriving village deserted. Sugunu area, once a breathtaking landscape with villages on both sides of the valley and the Imphal River flowing through, was a hub for both Meiteis and the tribals. Among the various institutions, St. Joseph's School and St. Alphonsa Convent were pillars of education and cultural harmony. Regrettably, the higher secondary school, along with its smart classrooms and laboratory, now lies vandalized. St. Joseph's Parish, Sugunu, one of the oldest parishes in the Archdiocese of Imphal, was also abandoned and suffered the same fate. Sugunu area, once a place of unity and coexistence, now stands as a symbol of tragedy and loss. The ethnic cleansing that started on May 3, 2023 has left scars that may take a long time to heal. Let us pray for peace, understanding, and reconciliation in this troubled region. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to help raise awareness about the ongoing conflicts in Manipur. Together, we can make a difference and promote a world where every community can live in harmony. Stay safe, and may peace prevail.